What's up, y'all? Welcome to another episode. My name is Jaden Ward. If you do not know me, make sure that you guys subscribe if you already haven't. Now, today, we are going to another car show. Supercar cars and coffee. That's what we're going to right now. So, I heard there's supposed to be a lot of people there. That's what they told me. We'll see. But, yeah, so we're heading there right now. Be there in 10 minutes. And stay tuned. This guy right here, a social media genius. They messed with my IG. Look at this. Endless. And they're all, that's all last night. And they're all real too. Are you sure? You better not be getting me bots. Likes? Followers, bro. Followers. They're all real, bro. They were engaging in your last night too. They were liking all your posts. Alright, well, I appreciate you. You're welcome. Even though, never mind, we won't get there right now. I will seriously smack you. The Evo, it's brand new. Yeah, I've seen these.
It's close. I love the color too.
These are pretty rad.
Oh, it is that.
This color goes hard too.
Oh, it's a purple SVJ.
Yeah, dude. That's insane. Lucas, in the words of Jordan Hazarian, my next car.
That's what I was just telling you. I was like, I want to wait for Jordan before I start walking around because he'd be like, that's my next car. No, that's my next car. Finance it.
Lucas. Finance?
Bro, 10 grand a month, easy.
This color is crazy. Take it as anywhere.
Just for attention.
Grocery shopping.
Yeah, bro. This is the daily.
I'm so mad. I'm so mad I didn't know about this one on my M4. You don't understand.
Like, no, I think my voice is changing. Did you finance a new voice?
Dude, why don't you get that next? That's actually pretty sick.
No, I'm getting a
GT4.
You know that is a GT4, but the drop down version.
No, it's a GT3.
No, it's a GT4.
Are you on? Dude, that
you literally told me it's a GT3 convertible.
It's basically a GT3. I said the Speedster's
a GT3 convertible.
Alright, let's walk around. We've been sitting here for a long time. So
the back look like a Speedster.
That's what I'm saying. It's nice. Do you mind if I ask you guys a really stupid question?
I hate motherfuckers that debadge their cars.
Would you rather have this or a GT?
This? Are you kidding me?
I mean, yeah. Would you rather have that?
This is a V10.
So,
no, that's just the base though.
What?
I know, but
yeah,
like,
exactly.
Come on.
So,
but it's the same thing.
I'd even take this one over it.
Yeah, I'll take this one.
These are
Now,
different.
if you were gonna say
years, right?
GT3,
Yeah, this is,
I'd say GT3.
Because this one's way lower.
This is 2011. This one's
A GT3 is gonna be.
Oh, this is newer?
Way too expensive, bro.
This one's newer?
Yes,
you can get
these
these V8s for like
Dude,
40
I would
grand.
prefer this one.
You,
I like this. It's
yeah,
smaller.
this is the original one.
This is a V10 though.
You're telling me you'd prefer this over this? I like the way this one's done though. This one's this quick.
I just like how I like the R8s when it's lower, and the hood is way slimmer than this one.
Well, this one will. This car is so fast.
It's all about aesthetics, man.
But this looks better too.
I mean, okay, I could see, yeah. When I look here, this looks way newer because of the tail lights or headlights. Sorry, my bad. But yeah,
This is like.
but I just like the hood on this one more.
They did upgrade.
Which two cars?
A 2015 458 versus a 2016. There's zero difference.
There is. I'll pick that one.
No, this is sick.
Dude,
I would get it
if I
red,
had one of these, I'd go to the track every week. I'm serious.
This is
Why just go to the canyon?
And get tickets like you.
Okay, dude. I literally got a ticket for standing next to my car like this.
You put
That's what
whatever you do, do not go to stunt road.
Dude, there was 6 motorcycle cops
I could
there.
see that though. There's probably like an issue, and they're like,
No,
"Alright, we're gonna
because what
fix it."
happened was apparently that morning there were 40 old school BMWs ripping through the canyon.
Of course there are. That's what they always do.
And people called the cops. And then I go up there, I go park my car. This one cop comes up to me and he's like, "Oh, dude, I like your car. What do you call this color?" Because he got bored that there was no one like getting tickets.
Yeah.
And I was like, "Oh, it's called Austin Yellow." He's like, "Oh, I don't really see too many of them." I was like, "Yeah, not a lot of people like the car. I mean, like the color."
Mhm.
And he was like,
Dude, everybody loves that car.
Can you let him tell
Not
the story?
everybody. It's
Yeah.
like a 50-50. You
You
either
didn't
love
like
it
to
or
break
hate
your
it.
So after that, he was like, "Okay, like I gotta get back now, but stay safe wherever you're headed. Where are you headed?" And I was like, "Oh, I'm going to the beach, and then I'm probably gonna go home." He leaves.
He follows you.
No, he doesn't.
Okay.
There was another cop giving some dude in a black Honda a ticket. Turns around, finishes with him, comes right behind me, and I'm standing in front of my car like this on my phone. He's like, "All right, sir, I'm gonna issue you a citation." I'm like, "For what?" He's like, "Modified exhaust, and you have no front plate." I'm like, "How are you gonna tell me I have a modified exhaust? My car is off." And he was like, "Okay, pop your hood." So I pop my hood. He sees the intakes. He doesn't say anything about it. No,
How does the hood tell you what the exhaust?
Oh, your intakes aren't stock?
So no, they aren't. So he goes behind the car, looks under, sees the M Performance muffler, and he's like, "Oh, you have M Performance exhaust." I was like, "Yeah." So he was like, "All right, I'm still giving you a front." He's like, "I'm still giving you a front plate ticket, though." I'm like, "Okay, but like, do you really have to do that?" He's like, "And by the way, is this yours or your dad's car?" I was like, "It's under his name." He's like, "Why do you have an Instagram handle on it?" And I'm like, "Cause I take pictures of it and I drive it on the weekends,
Yeah.
just so he kind of like, you know, is a little bit more relaxed." And he's like, "Okay, I'm gonna look at your Instagram right now and see if you have any illegal activities on there. And if it's private, I'll find a way to get in."
What?
And I was like, and I have nothing to hide. So you know what I told him? I was like, "Here, actually, can I get your feedback on some pictures? Because I really want some feedback, especially from a cop. I love it."
Mhm.
And he was like, "No, I can't.
Speaking of which, behind you.
If he couldn't he have just like given you the exhaust since you already had the exhaust ticket before?
No,
Because like you can't stack another ticket.
I can. It's kind of stupid if I do.
No, like they
That's why you
can't.
get it.
Like they can't give you you already have the exhaust ticket, and then for someone else. Oh no, it was window tint.
It was window tint. That was
forgot,
me and you.
yeah.
I did get a state ref though when I got arrested.
Yeah.
Like 2 hours before I turned 18.
Yeah. So what did you do when you saw your Insta?
He didn't see
He didn't
it.
say
He just
anything.
went back to radaring people.
This was hiding. You couldn't have seen this.
It's signature Lambo though. This guy has like 40,000 followers on Instagram.
The body kit itself probably costs more than
This is like a Mansory car.
No,
Like the
If it was Matsuri, we would have said. If it was Matsuri, we would have changed the logos to
the front hood looks like it's like Mansory. You see that part? And hopping in this.
And you have like a view, but like you can park your cars in the backyard,
Yeah.
and you sit in your master bedroom balcony with a cup of coffee. That's like ultimate.
this is nice to be, in my opinion. Like, okay, convertible Porsches.
Yeah.
It does not get much better than a convertible Porsche. Like,
This has a GT3 engine.
like when I was driving that, even if it was like 40 degrees, I had to put the top down. It was just, it does not get better than that. So I would rock with this for sure. 300 to 400.
This costs 300,000. Yeah, easily.
What?
300K easily.
I would never.
I'm not even worried about the price. I like the look of the GT3 coupe more with the wing on the
Look
back.
at the,
with the
look at the top. No, you have to see it from the back. You change your mind. It's out of 1948 too. You literally 748 out of 1948. This one's actually.
No, I'm not gonna lie. It looks hard, but like.
You see it's numbered on.
This car's a GT3.
The bucket seats are from like.
They're from the 918.
Oh, the 918.
These are 918 seats.
I would not.
I was gonna say that.
Hard pass.
Pass.
On 300K, hard
This is
pass.
so much
I do.
It's worth it.
Hard pass.
No, it's easy.
It's worth
You're gonna like it.
I'd buy it.
Definitely way easier than Charlotte.
I'd definitely.
How fast does it go?
It's a GT3 but dropped top version. That's what's so special. And it's numbered out in 1948. Not just anybody could have it.
Jordan, you know
The hardest with
like 15 years from now, I'm gonna have the SVJ and you're gonna have the Evo.
I don't want the Evo.
Oh, that's what you're gonna have.
I have a 918 Spider.
In 15 years? This car won't be remembered in 15 years.
Remembered? Are you on crack?
It might.
Dude, of course it's the highest Lamborghini Aventador. The Lamborghini Aventador is the best looking car of all time. Where did Jordan go? It's kind of cool though. I like it.
That's a drift car basically. I can probably drift it.